So today we have a guest pilot from Brazil come over here, and he's flying my helicopter. He doesn't have anything to fly. He's visiting. He's here for a week. He just showed up at the field, looked it up on Google, and I said, you know what? I'll give you a flight. So here he is, flying my Spectra around like an electric. The old Spectra. It was built in 2005. It is let's see, currently 3,620 flights on it. September 21st 2005 was the maiden flight. It's got a 27cc engine in it with a small Zimmerman pipe because it was the original setup before the 300s came around. And it's been like that. I never upgraded it to a bigger engine. It flies decent enough. Very economical. It can do about 18-minute flight at least on 16 ounces of fuel. So, I'm happy to see my new friend here, the Brazilian guy, have a flight and enjoy himself. I know what it's like to go to a foreign country and you don't have a helicopter with you, and you go to the field and you just want to fly. You're itching to fly. So, you know. Alright, I'm gonna put this down so I don't bore you guys with too long of a video, but I just wanted to take a little video and show that it's up in the air and he's enjoying his time.